Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bagwindy DIY Home and Garden, and this is another video. And here is my Glacier Bay Power Flush 2-piece high efficient toilet, and today I'm going to install it in my brand new bathrooms. And this one here advertised as a very high efficient, and it has a round bowl and a lifetime warranty, and also a soft close seat cover, which is pretty nice. Sometimes when my kids, they use our bathroom, they just slammed it. So this would be very effective and efficient for us. This one here is brand new, and I'm going to unbox it and see what's in it. Based on the information here, I should have all the parts in there, and so let's get into it. So first I'm going to open it and see if all the parts that I needed inside it. Okay. Let me go ahead here. Should be 2-piece based on the instruction. Okay. Okay. This is the bowl. And this is the hardware. This should be the wax seal. Yeah, this is the wax ring for the toilet. Definitely gonna need this one here. Good. And this is the hardware. This is for the chair. There are 2 bolts and 2 wing nuts for the chair. And let's see what's in here. Okay, this is the seat covers. Okay. And this is the chair. It's kind of heavy here. There's the chair. And let me see what's in this box here. And this is the cover for the bowl. So I think I have everything here. Okay. And these are the hardware for the covers. Okay, and these are the caps for the chair. After installing the chairs, these are the caps that covers the bolts. So, and these are the hardware right here for the bowl to the chair. So I have everything that I needed. Okay, so now I have all that I needed. I assessed my parts. Now I can go ahead and install my toilet in my bathroom.